party. Each car accommodates 6 passengers. Small parties of 1 or 2 will be asked to ride together this time. Once again, to help make your wait as short as possible, please tell the hostess the total number of people in your party. Each car can accommodate 6 passengers. Small parties of 1 or 2 will be asked to ride together. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the PeopleMover.
Please remain seated during your tour, keeping your hands and arms inside the vehicle, and kindly refrain from smoking. Thank you.
All of us who can hear me, say Mickey Mouse. Good. One time real loud. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, when you reach the loading platform, please tell the hostess the total number of people in your party. Each car can accommodate 6 passengers. The small party of 1 may be asked to ride together. Once again, each car can accommodate 6 passengers. Party of 2 or less will live together. Thank you very much.
You are now beginning a grand circle tour of Tomorrowland aboard the PeopleMover, the first system of its kind in the world. Since its 1967 opening, the PeopleMover has carried more than 50 million guests. Your tour of Tomorrowland will cover 3/4 of a mile and will give you a close-up look at many shows and attractions, as well as previews of many others. Across the way is Star Tours, a thrilling new adventure inspired by the George Lucas Star Wars films.
Hello, I am C-3PO, and this is my counterpart, R2-D2. Welcome to the Star Tours Tomorrowland Spaceport. Star Tours Tomorrowland Spaceport.
Just below us is the Star Traders, where you'll find the largest selection of Disney signature clothing, toys, and gift items here at the Magic Kingdom.
You're about to enter one of Tomorrowland's most exciting attractions, Space Mountain. For everyone's safety, we remind you to please remain seated. Inside Space Mountain, you can race through the cosmos, past spiraling galaxies and meteor showers, an experience that's truly out of this world. And now, here's a sample of the high-speed adventure that awaits you in Space Mountain. And now, here's a sample of the high-speed adventure that awaits you in Space Mountain.
In the Magic Eye Theater, Michael Jackson challenges galactic powers in Captain EO, an unprecedented 3D musical adventure. Just ahead is Mission to Mars. There, you can blast off on a voyage to the mysterious Red Planet.
Warning, you have invaded the electronic realm of the Master Computer Program. Prepare for the game grid of Tron. You have escaped Tron's game grid for now, users. But take heed. Next time you may not fare so well.
Above you is Disneyland's Highway in the Sky, traveled by sleek monorail trains. The Disneyland monorails have carried more than 75 million guests.
From here, you can see the gold and white spires of It's a Small World. There, you can join children of the world on the happiest cruise that ever sailed the 7 seas. Below you is the submarine voyage. On board, you'll glide through liquid space on a journey to the North Pole, exploring a fascinating world of eerie sea creatures and lost ships. We're now approaching the monorail station. There you can depart on a swift scenic tour through Tomorrowland and to the Disneyland Hotel and back. This high-speed transportation system opened at Disneyland in 1959 and was the first monorail to operate daily in the Western Hemisphere.
We're now passing world premiere Circle Vision. This theater is now presenting 2 spectacular Circle Vision 360 motion pictures, American Journeys and Wonders of China. Here are some scenes from American Journeys, a coast-to-coast look at the people, communities, and natural wonders of America. As we pass above Tomorrowland's entrance, you can see the heart of Disneyland. It's the plaza, gateway to the themed lands in the Magic Kingdom. As we near the PeopleMover station, you can see colorful murals celebrating the joyous spirit of children everywhere. A reminder that tomorrow will be built by our youth. We hope that you've enjoyed your tour on the PeopleMover and that you'll have a pleasant visit to the Magic Kingdom. Please remain seated and stay clear of the vehicle doors. Kindly gather your belongings and carefully step away from the vehicle onto the moving platform. As you exit, please walk to the left on the dark area of the moving platform and kindly watch your step. Thank you.